Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Amazon Web Services, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Amazon Web Services, or AWS, start by navigating to the AWS homepage. Type AWS into your preferred search engine. Click on the official link for Amazon Web Services. Once on the AWS homepage, locate the Create an AWS Account button. Click on this button to initiate the account creation process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Select an AWS account name that reflects your usage. After filling in the necessary fields, click Continue. Next, you will arrive at the account type selection. Choose between personal or professional depending on your needs. Fill in your contact information accurately. Ensure that all postal addresses and phone numbers are correct. Once complete, click Continue. In the next step, you will need to enter your payment information. Amazon requires a valid credit card for authentication purposes. Fill out the form, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. Review and confirm your payment details before clicking Verify and Add. Following this, you will be asked to verify your identity via a phone call or text message. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to receive your verification code. Enter the verification code on the screen. After successful verification, proceed to the next step. You will now be directed to finalize your account setup by selecting a support plan. Choose the plan that best suits your needs, ranging from basic to enterprise. Click on Continue to proceed. Once your account setup is complete, log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be redirected to the AWS Management Console. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where you will manage all AWS services. To begin using AWS, go to the top search bar and type in the service you need. You can explore services like EC2, S3, and RDS from the console. Once you select a service, follow the on-screen prompts to configure and launch it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.